Hiya, I'm Marcus from All Ages Airsoft, and today we're fitting a TTI M-Lock rail for a Saiga 12 SBS, a Tokyo Marui. So let's crack on. First thing we need to do is just remove the top section of this rail, which is held in by a couple of screws. Typical Tokyo Marui, gorgeous quality. Right, there's the top rail, and there's one screw underneath here. Now that should, in theory, remove the muzzle brake, which is absolutely huge. Like so, and that will come off. Right, we've also got a new barrel plug, which is made of aluminium and very, very, very nice. So I'm going to install that right now. Push down the little sprung plunger, like so, and it unscrews. A little bit fiddly. Go, pop that out. You don't necessarily need it, but it does look nice, and they've given it to you, so why not use it? And especially as these kits are so expensive. And then just push that plunger down. And find, there you go. That's it, that's that bit done. Now, I'm pretty much certain we're going to need to do this. We might be lucky, might be able to get away with it in... No. You're going to have to do this in two pieces, so I will now just get this apart. Very, very nice, very good quality rail. And we've got a little piece of tape here that we'll remove, and we've got another long screw in there which will match in with down here. So we've got this very nice solid machined aluminium clip there that should very nicely lock straight in, and then this long screw will go, hopefully line up, which it does, straight into there. Nice. So now I'm just going to have a quick check, but I suspect that will fit there. That will sit over there and lock in to these two screws. So we need to remove these two screws. Like so. And then that is going to slip over, but that's in the way. So what we're going to have to do is remove this side, which is going to be a bit of a pain because I suspect this little block's going to move. With these two screws. Taking note of which way up it goes, and then that will fit on that side. Get that roughly where it needs to go. I don't understand. Ah, there we are. That's it. That's how it's going to sit. So we will pop one of those screws. That will be what those are for, which look exactly the same length to me, but we will check them. Yeah, exactly the same length. I'm just gonna pop them in. I'm not gonna tighten them up. That to me isn't sitting properly. So we're just going to remove this. Of course, as normal, no instructions whatsoever. I think that needs to be removed. Which is on a dovetail mount, so it should, in theory, once you've removed the Allen key, knock out. Yep. Now another test fit. Yeah, there we go. Sits nicely now. So what we will now do is just loosely fit these screws. We'll tighten up everything afterwards. This gun very soon is getting a new tan grip and also a new tan stock from Brownells. So it will make it quite nice looking. So on this side, what we're going to do, that is going to go like so. Hopefully, this is going to be a bit of a pain in the arse to do, but hey ho. I'll do it up loosely, or attempt to do it up. Need to get something underneath it just to hold it in place. Very fiddly. I'm going to do, try and get a screw in one side. There we go. This is really, really, really fiddly. Can only go that way. Right, that's definitely in. I'm just going to nip it up just to hold it. Now that should allow me to get this one in. Right, that's in. I'm going to nip this one up a little bit. Remove that one. Pop that in place. There we go. And then get that one in, and that is more or less that. Now we can go round and tighten all the screws. We don't over tighten them, just enough. There we go. Right. Muzzle brake back on. And unlike normal marui guns, this is a normal right-hand thread. There we go. a TTI upper fitted on a Tokyo Marui SBS. Very nice piece of kit, looks lovely. Thanks for watching.